Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to voice typing on your keyboard. Press on to microphone icon and you just say hello, hello. Now make it to voice typing. Okay, now stop and start. Hello, how are you? Okay, at first need to set up this option. Simply open your settings, scroll down, press on general management, click on to Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, press on to voice input. Make sure to select Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. I recommend you just select to Google voice typing. Okay, and you can easily enjoy this feature. That's it.